Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about 5 things you should do after purchasing your Tesla. Number 1, the Tesla app, because once you get to the dealership you're definitely going to need to get it either way. So I suggest you get it as soon as possible. You're going to connect your car to your app. It's just going to make the process easier for picking up the car. So for number 2, I have the charging at home, or only superchargers, or both. So just make sure you can charge it somewhere. If you can charge it at home, that's perfect. Look up some of the information on how to charge it at home, and some of the things that you need to get to be able to charge it at home faster, so you don't waste time charging it slowly on a regular loader. If you don't have a charging at home that you can where you can plug it in, so just look at the supercharging stations around the city. For me it's New York, so as you can see on the map right here, I have these red dots. So just Google them. Make sure you have somewhat of an idea where you're going to charge your car. So for number 3, I have the phone charging. Wireless or wired, I have both, but I don't use the wireless one. And in my opinion, it was kind of a waste of money. Good wireless charger is usually like $100 or more, depending on the brand. You can get a cheap one for $30-40, but those are very slow charging and they heat up your phone a lot. So I got rid of that and I got this one for $100. Or you can just go the basic cheap way, which is just have the wire over here. For number 4 is gonna be the accessories, and more specifically like floor mats, depending on the state that you live in. For me it's New York, so the weather here is pretty bad, so I recommend getting the floor mats, the center console wrap, and other things. So just look at some of the accessories like on Amazon, or just Google Tesla accessories and just look at some of the websites. So just look at those websites, figure out what you think you need, and then save them. And order the ones that you think you're definitely gonna need, and save the ones that you might need for later. And once you get the car, you're gonna see if you actually need them or not, because I don't want you guys wasting your money on it. For number 5 guys, I have the dash cam set up. So make sure you do this, because this is very important and it's kind of tricky to get it to work. So you gotta search it up on YouTube most likely how to do it, because I'm not gonna show you in this video. I'm just gonna describe it, basic way of doing it. So you gotta buy a USB. I have a small USB connected to the car at the bottom inside the console. At first, when you connect it, it's not gonna work. So what you gotta do is you gotta connect it to the computer, change the format of it to FATA32, and then inside of the flash drive you gotta make a folder that's called Tesla Cam. And then when you do all that and connect it back to the car, that's when the dash cam is gonna start working. And it only records in 1 hour intervals, and then it overwrites it. So if you need some kind of a footage, you can either pull it out and it's gonna save an hour of the footage, or if you need the last 10 minutes, there's a button right here. After it starts recording, you can just press on it. It's gonna download the video of 10 minutes. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you enjoyed or if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.